I am come from Haryana. I was born in Haryana. Then, like, the life took different turns. So I went to like IIT to study. Then changed the path from engineering to arts. And that also didn't work. Then changed again. So kept changing unless like I arrived at the final truth, you can say. Then after that, I started exploring. Okay, so what is it like? It makes it. What is it the other people have discovered about it? Then I started like when you see Sanskrit, like how Sanskrit was written and composed. What makes Sanskrit so special? So if you see, the Maheshwaraya Sutra, like this Panini said, like he was in meditation. Then he got this sutra. It's like the Damru of Shiva, like Shiva gave him this, which is the base of the Sanskrit language. Then how it is composed, like with respect to grammar. So all of this knowledge, like it should be combined. It's not like separate, like like linguistic is like they're like this is a linguist guy, this is a spiritual guy, this is a Baba guy. No, because earlier the Rishi used to do both actually, and that was the method of doing it. Like if you study Ramanujan, like his math equation come from like Devi only. The same with me only. Like I only do Bhakti of Shiva. All of my knowledge, like whatever I study like very less. Only some diagram I see. Okay, this is it. Then I understand it. Like Mahadev tells me, okay, like this is how it works. So that is the real way of doing it.
What was the main thing that triggered you into spirituality?
You can say like the quest for the answer, quest for the knowledge. It took different forms in outside. Like initially you are searching for the like meaning of life to do what is like substantial in life. But then you shift. Then it was like then you are going through like mental health problem. Then the question was like how mind works. How do you get rid of these unwanted thoughts in your mind? Which I think is very popular question these days. Like people, that's why a lot of people are actually getting attracted towards spirituality. Not towards like getting moksha, but towards like, okay, how do I actually calm my mind and reduce my anxiety and all of that, which is fine also. But then you have to connect it to the root also. Like what is the base of it? Why so many techniques and meditation techniques are there? It's not just to calm your mind. It's basically there's a different like motive to it. And what is that motive and why is that motive so important that so many people have done and like given their entire life to it?
You have lived